Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your YouTube channel ID. Finding YouTube channel ID is essential for linking your account to various tools, apps and services that help manage and grow your channel effectively. So let's start the video. To find channel ID, first open youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now click on your profile picture or the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen to access the YouTube menu. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Settings. In the Settings window, under your YouTube channel section, you will find various options related to your channel. Click on View Advanced Settings. Here you will find your YouTube channel ID. It's a long string of letters and numbers. Click on the Copy button to copy YouTube channel ID and paste it anywhere you like. So that's how to find YouTube channel ID. Thanks for watching.